Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks shiny. First, proper preparation is key for a lasting, brilliant finish. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your brick surface to remove all dirt, grime, and any white efflorescence. A stiff brush with a mild detergent solution works wonders. After cleaning, rinse the bricks completely with water and allow them to dry for at least 24 hours. Finally, repair any cracks or damaged mortar joints to ensure a smooth, even base. Next, selecting the right sealer is crucial for achieving that desired shine. Topical sealers are excellent for creating a glossy finish and truly enhancing the brick's natural color. Many prefer acrylic-based sealers due to their impressive durability and ability to deliver a high-shine appearance. Look for a product that also offers UV protection to prevent your bricks from fading, ensuring the vibrant look lasts for many years. Now, let's talk about applying the sealer for the best results. You can use a roller, brush, or a low-pressure sprayer to apply the sealer evenly. It is best to work in small, manageable sections to ensure consistent coverage and prevent any puddling. Apply 2 thin coats, allowing the first coat to dry completely, typically for 2 to 4 hours, before applying the second. Always follow the manufacturer's specific instructions for optimal drying and curing times. Finally, maintaining your shiny bricks will keep them looking fantastic for years. Regularly clean the sealed surface with mild soap and water to remove any accumulated dirt. To ensure lasting protection and shine, plan to reapply the sealer every 3 to 5 years, depending on exposure. Always avoid using harsh chemicals, as these can damage the sealer and dull its beautiful finish. Periodically inspect your bricks for any signs of wear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.